Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Today we got a stash update. Look at all this stuff. Crazy. I got a big one back here. We're going to go over all of it. And we got some resin there and we're going to go over new stuff for the program and new paints. Alright, stick with me. Okay, well the first one up is a 69 Ford pickup. Now, this is a great kit from Mobius. I've built this before, but never on the channel. We're going to try and build this here on the program. So, let's go over what we got here. Well, right away, you can see it's a short bed. That's pretty cool. Let's look at all the packaging. Look at that. The nice decals are included. Go over here. This comes with a 6-cylinder, and this is a little bit different than the other kits issue because they had the V8s. So this is going to be pretty interesting putting a 6-cylinder in this. And you can see it installed there. And you got chrome grille or painted white grille, either one you pick. These kits have got a lot of options in them. They're a great kit, and they come with lots of stuff to make other versions. So watch for this one on the program. Yeah, that's right. We're going to do a big rig truck. Now, this is a GMC Astro. This is a great kit. It's vintage. It came out a couple years ago, reissue, but I got a hold of one at my local shop, and we're going to build it here on the program. And let's go over what we got here on this. Look at that. Detailed cab. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Big Detroit engine there. The cab opens. Lots of stuff on this. Here's the other side here. Wait. There's some other vehicles you can buy. Trailers. Stuff here. And on the back, I got it upside down. There you go. There's the back there. You can show all the parts trees and everything. This is a great kit. And this is going to be exciting. I think we're going to do this here on the program, so watch for this one. This is going to be a great kit. Here's another exciting one. This is an International Scout 2. It doesn't have a year on there, but to me it looks like about a 76. Anybody knows, comment at the bottom. But this is a new issue from round 2. I just picked it up at my local shop. And this is going to be pretty cool too. I think we'll build this on the program. Let's take a look at what we got in there. This side here. Take a look at that. Pretty cool stuff. 4-wheel drive. This side here. Oh, you got to have that CB. That 345 engine. Got to have it. But let me show the back here. That way you can see that. That's what you get in it. But this is a neat kit. Just came out back of round 2, just reissued this. And this ought to be pretty interesting to build up. So, let's keep going. Now this one I won't build on the program again because you've seen me build this. But anyways, yes, I bought another taxi cab. I think it's a great kit. It's fun. Watch my other video if you haven't seen it before. There's the luggage and decals. And then that big 429 engine, cab meter, taxi thing on the roof, wheels up kit. This is a great kit. I highly recommend it. Watch my video on this build. Let's go on to the next one. Now this is another reissue. This is fairly new from round 2. It's a great kit. Basically the same thing as the 007 car, but new decals and some other small features they've changed. Here's some of the things on this kit. Now this kit has the updated hubcaps and trim rings for this version. And then a 351 V8. And then your striping. It comes with silver and black striping. So that's something new on this. And then there's the front again. This is a great kit. I built a few of these. They're pretty nice cars. They go together pretty well. So another great addition to my stash. I like it. Now this one's fairly new from Revell. It's the Orange Whip Henry J. This is a pretty neat car. The doors open on it. And let's take a look at the box on this. On this side, shows the doors opening. It's got new decals, chassis work. This is a pretty great kit. You can see that. There you go. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to build this on the program or not. I might. We'll see. Tell me in the comments. You want me to build this? Let me know. This is a pretty cool kit. I've seen it built in other programs. That's why I don't want to be redundant with someone else's. But if it wants to be built, we'll try to do it. We'll call ours a Sears All-State. How about that? Okay, let's get to the next one. Now, I saved the good ones for last. So keep watching. Now this I got from a friend. He gave it to me in trade. It's an older kit, but it's the Pro Street Nova. It's a 76 unit hatchback. It's pretty neat. AMT at the time didn't have much description of what you get in the box. So we're kind of roll the dice when we open this up. There's actually no information on this side. But it's all complete. It'd be pretty neat to build on the program, so we'll have that on an upcoming feature. This is a pretty cool car. Ooh, we're getting to some good stuff now. Look at this. It's vintage. This is from 1976. It's unbuilt. The interior has been painted, but other than that, it's an unbuilt kit, and they're pretty rare now. This is a great Porsche. It's a Carrera RS. Let's take a look at that. Look at that. Isn't that a great kit? These old Revell kits are really cool. The ones from the 70s. You can win a Chevy van. Take a look at that. I'm sure the contest is over by now. But anyways, this is a great kit. Not sure if I'll build on a program, but at least add it to my stash. Wanted to share it with you guys. Take a look at this. This is another classic. This is the original issue here with the Laurel Hardy figures included. This is a great kit. Take a look at some of the footage on here. Look at those pictures. Back in the day. Pretty neat stuff. This is unbuilt, a mint kit. That's a really cool car. Not sure if I'll build this on a program. I think I might hang on to this one. I'm not sure. I like the build though. That's a toss-up. We'll see how we go. Look at that. It's a great packaging. That package really neat. Got Laurel Hardy there in the car. Another fine mess you got us into. Take a look at that. Oh yeah, one of my personal favorites. I've built this, I don't know how many times, 30 possibly, over the years of me building. This is a great kit. It's mint. We're definitely going to build this on the program because I really love this kit. It's one of my favorites. Definitely a cool kit. And I have no words. This is my favorite. Everybody knows me out there knows this is my favorite kit. And we're going to build this. So watch for it upcoming on the program. Ooh. Okay, before I get to the resin stuff, that's going to be exciting. So please stand by. Anyways, we got some new products we're going to be using. This is McW Finishes, and I'm going to try it. My good friend, the other YouTuber guys have mentioned MCW, and I'm going to go ahead and try their products, give it a whirl. I got the bright aluminum, silver, metallic, and I got gloss clear. And so far, what I've heard has been great reviews with them and been good products. So we're going to give it a whirl and see what we come with. All right, on to those resin kits. Okay. These I bought from MCW, Model Car World. And I'm going to open them up for you, one by one. This is the 71 Impala Sport Coupe. And this is the 69 Chevrolet Biscayne two-door sedan. All right, let's take a look. All right, let's open this up. See what we got. Gotta get the package open. There we go. Ooh, right away. Great pieces. It looks like this comes with the wheels and little hubcaps. There's our rear bumper for the Biscayne. There's our grill. Let's flip that over so you guys can see that. See what I'm seeing. There we go. Look at that great 69 Chevrolet grill. Let me get the light over there better. You can see it. There you go. Pretty cool stuff. All right, let's get that body out. Oh, that's great. This is great. Look at that. This is just flashed over when they make it. No big deal. Easy to remove. That is great. You see that detail on the back of that? It says Chevrolet. Side marker lights are on there. This is great. There's our interior bucket. Really sharp, prominent detail there. Now, to make this work, you need a 70 Impala kit. They're out there all over the place. They've reissued it as the Fire Chief car. Fire Chief car is what they reissued it as. That's easy to find. It's currently made. All you gotta do is combine it with this, and you got yourself a 69 Chevy. Very excited about this. This is gonna be a great build. Great. The quality is phenomenal on this. Yeah, this is gonna be exciting. This is gonna be exciting. Okay, along with that resin body, I also bought these engines. This is the Ford 6-cylinder. It's a 170 or 200 Ford engine. Came out originally the Johan Maverick. That's what this came from. So this is a copy of the Johan Maverick engine. Super crisp detail. These are great. You can see the detail on that valve cover. It says Power by Ford. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's really great. Also bought a Chevrolet 6-cylinder. That's got to go in the Biscayne. Here it is here. I don't know what kit this came from. If anybody knows, please let me know down in the comments. But this is cast off of something original. I'm guessing AMT, I don't know. But it's a Chevrolet 6-cylinder from the 60s. I would guess 230, 250. Don't know my 6-cylinder Chevrolets very well. Take a look and see what you think. But those came from McW Finishes as well. Let me get out that 71 Impala. Okay, here's the 71 Impala Sport Coupe. Now you need the 76 Caprice Classic to complete this kit. in a reissue that here real soon. Comes with the trailer. That's pretty cool. But anyways, here you go. Now that's pretty neat. Now see, that's a sports coupe, so it has that different rear window area. Try to get the light in there. It's white, it's hard to see. Take a look at that grille, interior. Now this is a complete kit other than the running gear and chassis. It's included the taillights, bumpers, grill, hood, dash, steering wheel, hubcaps. And the parts are phenomenal. Take a look at that grill. Great. The quality is so nice on these. And there's our interior bucket there. This also included a rear window. Used the front windshield off the 76 Caprice Classic. This is a great kit. MCW has really knocked it out of the park on these. These are great. So, all right. Well, I hope you enjoyed my stash update. Well, we're going to try and get to all these on the program. All right. I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.